Have you ever seen snails in the beaches? Yes, they have a hard shell-like structure that protects it against all dangers. Similarly, starfishes have a similar protection that gives it protection against all dangers in the water. Now, can these organisms be placed under the same phylum? Let us see. Whereas this hard shell-like structure is smooth and is externally present, it is not a part of the snail's body. This spiny structures that you can see is actually formed from the body itself. So this surface is smooth, but this protection that the starfishes produce from the body itself is spiny. But if you turn the backside of these organisms, you will find that both these organisms have a very soft body. Now, both these organisms have a lot in common. See, both the snails and starfishes have a soft body, because of which they require protection. So for protection, snails have shells on their body, and starfishes have spines on their body. But the major difference between them is that snails are radially asymmetrical. That is, if you cut a snail along the radius, then none of the parts will look identical to each other. But starfishes are radially symmetrical. That is, if you cut a starfish along the radius, then all the different parts that you will get after dissection, all of them will look identical to each other. Now, see the movement in both these organisms. See if you find a difference. See, snails move along with the help of their muscular foot, and starfishes have these tube-like structures which are known as the tube feet. So this is another difference between them. Whereas snails move with the help of their muscular foot, starfishes move with the help of their tube feet. Hence, these two organisms are placed under different phylum under the animal kingdom. Snails and similar organisms such as mussels are kept under the phylum Mollusca, where Mollusca means soft bodies. The characteristics of these organisms are they have a hard shell-like structure, which is not a part of their body. It provides protection to these organisms which have a very soft body. They are radially asymmetrical, and finally they move with the help of a muscular foot. And these organisms, such as the starfish and similar organisms such as sea urchins, which has a spiny exoskeleton as a protection, is kept under the phylum Echinodermata, where echino means spine and dermata means the skin. So the various features of these organisms are spiny exoskeleton, soft body. These organisms are radially symmetrical, and finally they move with the help of their tube feet. So under the animal kingdom, there can be further phylums apart from the worms that we had classified before. These phylums that we discussed about today are phylum Mollusca and phylum Echinodermata.